darling? Don't you want to feel my touch?
What happened, honey? You look like you've seen a ghost.
You will be asleep in bed. I will be there and watch over you.
Oh my God, Michael Myers, please forgive me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
What are you? You look kind of cute. Hey, you're not so scary.
No, no, no.
You can eat. You need to regain your energy. You're going to get tired soon.
Okay, maybe it's not as bad as I thought.
That's what they all say.
Let the cowards run. We stand like lions no matter what.
What are you looking at, you fart?
I know you're in there. Do you want to sleep together tonight?
Ai mua nhang giúp tôi với thắp cho người đã khuất? Ai mua giúp tôi bó nhang cho người đã khuất?
गाड़ी चलाओ चलो।
तेरा बेड लग चुका है, आजा अंदर।
जो बच्चे रात को कंबल लेकर नहीं सोते और अपने बिस्तर में ही छी कर देते हैं, मैं उनको पकड़ के ले जाता हूँ।
जो बच्चे मोबाइल इस्तेमाल करते हैं, मम्मी पापा को तंग करते हैं, मैं उनको पकड़ कर लाती हूँ।
जो बच्चे काला नहीं खाते हैं उसको मैं टुकड़े टुकड़े करके खा जाऊंगा।